Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shravya. Today I'm going to show you how to make really delicious Turkish cheesy dessert called knefe. This is made out of vermicelli noodles or semolina. The vermicelli I'm going to be using today is going to be the thin ones, the white long vermicelli that you find in the market. You'll find this really easily in any kind of sweet shop. All you have to do is just break it down into tinier pieces and roast it until it becomes slightly golden in color. This dessert is supposed to be very low on the sugar level, but if you like it more sweet, you can add in more sugar. That's it, so let's get started. Into a pan, add 1 cup of milk, 3 tablespoons of sugar. You can increase or decrease the amount of sugar according to your liking. I'm using skim milk here, you can even use full fat milk. Keep stirring and let this cook until the sugar dissolves. We do not have to bring our milk to boil. Now to this add 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Instead of using corn flour, you can even add some all-purpose flour. To this add 1/4 cup of mozzarella cheese. Whenever you add mozzarella cheese to milk, make sure you grate it. It becomes easier to melt. As you can see, the milk mixture has thickened. Now we're going to turn the flame off. This is going to thicken even more later. In a large bowl, take half cup of melted butter. To this add some yellow food color. I'm using unsalted butter here. To this add 2 cups of thin roasted vermicelli. Now be very careful that your vermicelli has to be the thin ones. You'll get this in white color. You need to break it into smaller pieces and roast it in a pan with some butter or some ghee until it attains a nice even golden color. Mix all of this until the vermicelli is mixed with the butter. Now take a oven-proof dish, grease it with some butter or oil. Into this add in half of your vermicelli. At this point, we're going to preheat our oven to 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Make sure you press the vermicelli layer really well. You can even use the base of a cup or a glass to press it properly. Now onto this, add your milk mixture. As you can see, once the milk mixture cools down, it thickens even more. So if you feel like your milk mixture is not thick enough, do not add any more corn flour. Now onto this, grate some more mozzarella cheese. Now place the remaining vermicelli as the last layer. Be gentle here, you shouldn't press the vermicelli at this point. Just cover the milk mixture properly. Now we're going to bake this at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes or until the vermicelli becomes nice and crunchy. While our knefe is baking, in a pot take half a cup of water. To this add 1/4 cup of sugar. Your water should be double the amount of your sugar. To this add some kesar. Now you can replace kesar with some gulab jal too. Now let the syrup boil. We need to cook this until the syrup becomes slightly thick. As you can see, the syrup has become thick. Now we're going to turn the flame off. The knefe has baked. Let it sit for a minute. While it's still hot, flip it onto a plate. If it's not coming off easily, make sure you release it from the edges, tap it from the top and gently remove the dish. As you can see, your knefe will come out really easily if you press the first layer perfectly. The 3 layers are very well defined here. Now dress it with some sugar syrup. You can control the amount of sugar syrup according to your liking. But just remember that there's no amount of sugar in the vermicelli layer, so you might want to add some generous amount of sugar syrup. Take a small portion onto a serving plate and top it off with some pistachios. And that's it. Our delicious knefe is ready. For more interesting recipes like this, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to hit the bell icon.